In this particular video, what we're going to do is show you how you move a VStation project over to Final Cut Pro 7. It's a pretty simple process. Once you export from VStation over to your Mac system, you simply go into your file, go into Import, choose XML. You go to the folder that you have put your project into. In this case, we're going to choose this particular project as an example. Notice we're not going to check the option reconnect to media files at this point. We're going to do that manually. So let's create a new project, and we'll just simply call it my sample import. Okay, so what we've done now is it's created the bins. These are the original bins for this particular, or the reel name, and the clips that are underneath it, and then the output reels that we've created, the line cuts that we have done, and then the sequences are here. So let's reconnect the clips. So I'm going to highlight the folder. I'm going to go to File, Reconnect Media, and we're going to go locate that media in the same folder that we had put the project in. So I'm going to go to the video folder. This is where we keep all our videos, and we'll choose the name of the project. In this case, we happen to call it, we were taking this from a Premiere Pro project, and we look for the clip, one of the clips. All we have to do is find that, and then it automatically will find the rest. Now, you can ignore this message here. There's some small idiosyncrasies about the import, but this won't affect your project. So you just go ahead and hit continue, and then connect. And now you see all our files have been connected. I can just double click on any one of them here and play that file. So we'll do the same thing for the output reels. We're going to go ahead and reconnect those and locate. Again, we'll go to the movie folder, go to our projects folder, go to the video. This time we're going to choose the output reels because that's where we keep them, and the name of the project. Pick one of the files here, choose. Again, ignore the message, connect, and now we've got our two output reels. Again, we can double click and play that if we want, and play back the line cuts. Now, to see the sequences, all we do is we double click on any of the sequences. So I double click here, and it'll in a moment will create all the line cuts that we did. Now you can drag your cursor over to each of the edit points. Now, because this is not rendered, it's going to say this, but you can in fact drag your time position and see where the cuts are, or take a look at it that way. But if you really want to see it play back, then you would go to your sequence and then render them all, both, and then you can play them back. But all your original footage is here. And I can also take a look at my second sequence that I made. Again, double click on it, and there we go. So that's all you have to do to get a VStation project over to Final Cut Pro 7.